There are a lot of things that can damage the mitochondria. Okay. Poor diet in general will damage the mitochondria because mitochondria are made of fats, but they're made of specific fats. And if you don't get enough of those specific fats in your diet, essential fatty acids in your diet, you can't make good mitochondria and they go bad easily, in which case you have mitochondrial dysfunction because you didn't eat the right fats. Not all fat is the same. There are 7 classes of fats. And the ones that you care most about here are the polyunsaturated fatty acids, and in particular, the omega-3s. They make the mitochondria work better, but they're in very short supply in our diet. So even before sugar, you have to actually make good mitochondria. Another thing that causes mitochondrial dysfunction is radiation. Radiation will cause mitochondrial dysfunction. And this is actually a problem up in outer space because we have now learned from metabolomic studies on blood and urine of people who've been, working on the space shuttle, that they have inherent mitochondrial dysfunction just from the ambient radiation because they're not protected by the Earth's atmosphere. So can you imagine what's going to happen on a Mars mission? They'll be lucky if they can crawl out of the capsule when they get back home because their mitochondria are going to be so dysfunctional. So how do you protect people up in outer space? This is actually a big issue for the National Space Agency, and I've actually consulted with them on this.